What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got yet another cool tech for you. And today we have something special, which is ta-da! Oral irrigator. This is a portable oral irrigator. This is one that's got batteries inside, and you can obviously use to rinse your mouth using this device. And we're going to be unboxing this one, and we're going to be looking at what you get in the box and all those features and things that we have with this specific product. So let's get started. Alright, portable oral irrigator. This is the model Y826. The brand here is WAFLOO's Portable Oral Irrigator, model Y826. And pretty much this picture, and this is what you're going to see in the box. On the left you have some specifications. It says working modes: strong, normal, soft, pulse and child mode. So children can use this as well, is what I think. Again, I'm not sure. We'd have to check. We'd have to obviously open the box and test it out, and then kind of discern whether this is appropriate for the different usage options as specified in this specification. Capacity of water tank is 180 milliliters. Pressure range is 30 to 120 psi. Water pulse is 1400 to 1800 times per minute. And here's the serial information. There's new water flosser, dental care, white color. Here's the UK representation, Evertost Consulting Limited. And here's the manufacturer information, manufactured in Shenzhen. Email waflo1993@hotmail.com. And there are of course the certifications, ROHS, FCCE, UKCA, and some recycling information. Pretty standard. On your left you have further information on the various different specifications that this device has. And it starts by saying 5 cleaning modes: travel design, IPX7 waterproof, 180 milliliters telescopic water tank, rechargeable battery, USB-C charging, and it's made in China. And that's everything that you get around the box and its specifications. So without any further ado, let's open the box and see what we have inside. Here's the device in its skin and bones. There is a travel case first up. It's a pretty nice quality soft travel carry case, and it does have the WAFLOO branding. What else do you get? You get the device itself, and you get some kits for the dental floss. In fact, 4 of these, and you get the Type-C charging cable as standard. You also get the instruction manual. There are 2 documents in fact. Here's the other one. Here's the other document. This is the instruction manual or user manual, Y826 brand, and it says customer service email and all this sort of stuff that was mentioned on the box. And here's the instruction really. Notice, in the first time usage or not used for a long time, you shall wait for a moment before the oral irrigator's jet tip can discharge water after pressing the on-off switch. Under the circumstances, follow these steps. And okay, so my understanding here is that you need to wait before the oral irrigator's jet tip can discharge water, and then after adding adequate amount of water into the jack of the jet tip, install the jet tip again. To be honest, I'm not really sure what they're trying to explain here, but yeah, I do get the idea that if it's stuck, you need to put some water in to make it work. Probably to have the water pressure inside the chamber. You know the way it works when you have water pipes, and to run water out of a specific chamber you have to have water filled inside of the pipes. So it's kind of similar concept I suppose here. There's more that needs to be understood there. And there's some safeguards and things. You do not insert strange objects and all that sort of jazz. Warning: if you have had oral or dental surgery in the past 2 months, please consult your doctor before using this product. And then there's product description, jet tip lock, that's the top, on-off key, that's number 2 over here, mode button, strong, normal, soft, pulse, child, that's the mode button there. Or is it, oh, these are the ones, these are probably the LEDs. jet tip and stuff that there is. It's just a dental flosser, to be honest with you. And here's the product accessories: jet tips, 1 orthodontic tip, 1 tongue cleaner tip, 1 pouch, and 1 USB cable. Here's the charging information. So I guess that's all you need to know. At the back you've got tap position, installation instruction, removal of jet, installation removal of the water tank fusion switch and mode selection, procedures and methods of tooth washing, after use, water tank, jet tips, and of course after sales service. Here's the website, www.WAFLOO1993.com, and free repair within 1 year's manufacturing. Wow, okay. So you get 24 months warranty with the registration. If you activate the registration, you get another 1 year warranty. So 2 years of warranty is what you'd get if you register. And that's what this card is all about. It doesn't open. I thought it would, but no. This is the QR code, and you register using the device credentials and perhaps your proof of purchase. Right, these are your accessories. 1 tongue cleaner, and the other flossers and things using water. I'm going to keep all of these things away. This is your pouch. Let's keep it away as well. And let's focus on the device. Here's your device. Comes in this interesting case. That's how it works. I suppose it needs to come out, or does it not? Look, I'm new with these things, so I'm gonna give it a better try. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is the tank. And the tank is out. Right, okay, so this should go around this guy for the IPX7 rating. That's what they do, the IPX7 rating. Just a rubber gasket that goes around. This is the pipe that would extract your water. That's your water tank now. And at the top you have the power button, as you can see. And it does say on-off button. Press this button to turn on, and it also says mode button. Short press this button to adjust water pressure. Long press the button to switch mode. This is your, like, the installation. As you can see, this guy moves, so it would lock the flosser in place. Should actually try and use one of these. Let's get one of these out and see how this guy works. So yeah, all attached, nice and simple. Yeah, this is nice and simple installation. And when you need to take it out, just press this button and that should come out. Easy, yep, that's simple. And when you turn it on, so here's your charging. This is strong. This is your child mode. And then there's your pulse mode, soft mode, normal, and strong. These are the different modes. I'm not sure where the battery indicator is. This is your Type-C charging. Yeah, Type-C charging port. And nothing major, nothing confusing. You fill this chamber with your floss thingy, and then you can just start to use it. Let's try it. Let's give it a try. So I'm gonna just simply pour in water. Yeah. Is that what you do? Press these. Ah, right. So you press these. They just sort of build some pressure and allow this chamber to open. Okay, you've got the rubber gasket over here. I'm gonna fill some water, and let's give it a try. Yeah. Okay. So what I've done is I've just filled normal water, tap water. And I'm going to dip this guy inside. And, oops, oh boy, what's happened there? Okay, maybe not the best ideas. It seems to have attached itself. I'm not sure if the water's going to come out. Oh, no, it doesn't. IPX7 waterproof, yay! Right, okay, so we've got that connected. And now when I turn it on, right, so yeah, it does, yeah, okay, so it does work. Well, that's what I'm going to say. So that's the strong mode, isn't it? Child mode. This is your strong mode. Oh my days, I'll have to turn it off. Boy. Okay, so as you can tell, I've made a mess there, but it does work, right? It does work. I can guarantee that it does work. As you can tell, there's a lot of mess. With your teeth, you'll have to obviously give it a try and work it for your own good, like to test it out for your own self and see if this works for you. But for me, from my perspective, I see this is a working device. It does, of course, do what it's expected to do. The pressure in terms of the PSI is pretty much spot on. I don't see an issue with that. That's that kind of pressure that you'd get with the, what did it say, 120 PSI? That was what it was. And I think that's what it is. I could sense that it was quite fast, quite hard in terms of the water pressure. Right there you have it. 30 to 120 psi. The 30 is definitely the child option, and it's definitely for a child because it was really slow. And 120 psi is for the adults for sure, for like a severe usage in your teeth. So you could use these. It's just like a pressure washer, isn't it? It's just like when you've got a pressure washer to clean your patio or your backyard thingy. It's just that's what you're using for your teeth. Quite interesting tech that we have these days, isn't it? So yeah, this is one of those. And what it's called is the Portable Oral Irrigator from WAFLOO, model Y826. I will share the link that will be available in the description. If you have any questions or queries, please do feel free to reach out. And as always guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care, cheers, bye.